channel. I have my special guest again, my niece Jasmine. So today I'm actually going to be doing her makeup, and in the process I'm going to be trying to teach her the do's and don'ts of makeup. I'm probably going to do a voiceover and some music just so she can watch a movie while I do this for her. So just so you guys know, this is just for fun. She is like 10. I don't encourage her to wear makeup every day. I think she looks gorgeous without it right now, which is insane. Like, look at her freckles. People all over the world want her freckles, and she's got them naturally. So anyway, I think she's a beautiful girl without makeup, but we're just having fun today, and I've been dying to properly do her makeup for a long time, so I'm excited to do this. I think I'm gonna go with a little more like natural glam type thing, so if you want to see me do my niece's makeup, then please just keep on watching. This is the finished result, a little natural glam for my niece. I think it looks cute. Do you like it a lot?
Okay, 1 out of 10, I give it like an 8.
Oh, okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, that's really good. I like it. Okay, so I really hope, sorry, I don't know why I did it like that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's another makeup video, so I don't have anything else to say except don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and remember to click the little bell and the subscribe button to let you know when I post new videos, and it is every Thursday. I will post my social media links over here for you if you want to follow and keep up with me during my lifetime. It'll be by her cute little face. And yeah, I don't have anything else to say except I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will